Yeah, I'm Bob Schnitzer. I'm the welding instructor here at Ulster Bosse's, and I teach a variety of processes: the stick, the TIG, oxyacetylene, MIG, and plasma cutting. They're all instructed in the classroom throughout the year. There's certifications available: American Welding Society, New York State DOT. Students can get this certification right here in the classroom. Welding industry employs people from helpers right up to welding engineers. There are college programs throughout New York State. Students that want to just go out and work right out of high school, again, they could receive their certification here at Bosse's and be licensed to weld at the point when they leave high school. So it's a very important thing for someone at that age. It gives them earning power beyond belief.